Hello everyone, welcome to this video tutorial on calculating area and volume using the ESurvey CAD Contour Module. In this video, you will learn how to generate contour area and volume. Once contours are generated in ESurvey CAD, navigate to the Area and Volume Calculation tab. The software automatically computes the area enclosed by each contour and displays volume calculations for contour levels, ranging from the lowest contour value to the highest contour value present in the map. Volume calculation. Using the average end area method, the software first calculates the area of each contour. Starting from the second contour level, it computes the volume between two successive contours using the average end area method. In this method, the areas of two adjacent contours are averaged. The average area is multiplied by the contour interval. The software then calculates the cumulative volume for all contour levels. This provides a quick and reliable estimate of the volume contained within the contour surfaces. Volume calculation using the Prismoidal method for applications such as dams, reservoirs, ponds, lakes, and other water bodies. The Prismoidal method is generally preferred because it provides more accurate volume estimates. The formula used in the Prismoidal rule is where H equals contour interval, A equals area of the lower contour, B equals area of the upper contour. Generating the capacity report. To generate a report based on the Prismoidal method, simply click the capacity button. The software will create a spreadsheet containing area calculations for each contour level. Volume calculations using the Prismoidal method. Cumulative storage capacity values. The results are presented in million cubic feet, MCFT. Million cubic meters, MCM. These reports are particularly useful for reservoir capacity studies, water storage analysis, and planning projects involving ponds, lakes, and dams. In the next tutorial, you will learn how to export data from a contour map using ESurvey CAD. If you are working in the infrastructure industry, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We regularly add informative videos about infrastructure design and engineering solutions. Road InfraSuite and Water InfraSuite are very popular software solutions for infrastructure engineering. You can also book a free demonstration of the software by visiting www.esurveying.net. You may reach us through email at info@esurveying.net. You can call us on 944-959-9709. Thank you for watching this video.